Good morning and happy Saturday. I'll be doing a shave video today and I'm going to walk through my process. I always share how I do it. That way I expose more people to wet shaving. Wet shaving has reduced skin irritation, ingrown hairs for me, and typically it's less waste. This morning I'll be shaving around the chops. When I was about 12 and started experimenting with shaving, my older brother sat me down and said, here's what you need to know. Get a hot shower first. Feel for the hair direction. The hair grows in different directions, so you'll need to shave with, across, and against for the closest shave. As you can see, I've got a lot of stubble. Stubble is thick and hard. Getting a hot shower first helps to soften up the hair to make it easier to cut. By using a shave cream or a shave soap, you're creating a barrier that reduces the friction so that when the blade goes across, it can glide and cut versus snagging and cutting. Beard stubble is thick, it's itchy, and when you shave, you're removing that to achieve smooth skin. However you do that and you're most comfortable, I suggest you do that. But if you're interested in wet shaving, please keep watching. I was sent a wonderful shave kit from Truly Beauty. Yes, they make shave kits for ladies, for them to shave their legs and everything. But shave creams are shave creams. This is a wonderful glazed donut whipped shave cream, and I have their aftershave oil. Smells amazing. Good morning. I'm Bob, and of course this is Elliot Norris, my mustache, about to do a Saturday morning ASMR shave. I've got my Rode Wireless Pro mics here and here on split. These are my one blade razors. I've got to choose one from my Big Bertha Genesis limited edition Genesis. This is my hybrid razor, my Element, and my Core. I think today I'm going to go with Big Bertha limited edition. This is one of 103 flexing head. There are many advantages to wet shaving over spraying the foam or cream in your hand. This whipped shave butter from Truly Beauty has no propellant. It has all natural ingredients. It's not going to dry out my skin. Oh, and it smells amazing too. If you have sensitive skin or your skin gets irritated a lot, consider adding a shave oil as a pre-treatment. Oh, that smells good too. Just a little bit. Shave brushes come in all different shapes, sizes, and what they're made of. Badger hair, synthetic, so on and so forth. It's good to soak your shave brush for about 30 or 60 seconds in hot water. That way the brush absorbs the water. Brushes are great for exfoliating the skin, massaging the skin, and prepping it for shaving. This is my lather cup from frankshaving.com. I've put in a little bit of the whipped shave butter. I have a wet shave brush. I'm now going to lather it up. This helps to make more of the shave cream than what started. Sometimes I make my lather a little watery. That way when the longer hair goes through the razor, that it doesn't get stuck as much. Prior to safety razors, this was typically the razor everybody shaved with, a straight razor. It's just the blade against the surface of your skin. Safety razors came along with this tiny guard right there that limits the amount of the blade surface that rests against your skin. All right, Big Bertha, let's do this. Facial hair grows in different directions. So for the closest shave, you shave with, across, and then against that stubble growth. You can put some tension on the skin to tighten it up to help reduce nicks and skin irritation. When I first started shaving, like I said, my brother told me, shave one direction, take your finger and feel if there's any stubble. If you feel stubble that way, shave that way. I just shaved with or down. Now, do I need to shave the other direction? For the closest shave, I do. Now remember, lift your comically large mustache up and out of the way. If shaving different directions irritates your skin, don't do it. Shave however you're most comfortable. I like to share these videos to expose more to the world of wet shaving. Shaving around the chin is always tricky because it's not entirely flat. Mine gets a little bumpy right there, so I have to move my mouth in order to cause tension in different directions. When shaving, nicks can and do happen. There's a blade right there. If you have a little imperfection, maybe on your chin, you tilt the blade wrong, push a little too hard, you can nick yourself. Don't worry, they're small and they heal fast. This alum block from Parker Safety Razor is an antiseptic block that when you wet it and rub it on your skin, this helps to soothe and heal your skin. Leave that on for about 5 minutes, wash it off, and it'll help your skin. This is an aftershave oil. This is great for pre-treating and putting on post-shave to help soothe the skin. Another thing you can add in to your post-shave is shave bones. Oh my gosh. I'd like to leave you on this. Wet shaving combined with a safety razor for me has reduced skin irritation, ingrown hairs. I have less waste. The only thing I need to do is replace this blade once I purchase a safety razor. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I'm Bob, and of course this is Elliot Norris, my mustache, wishing you a wonderfully bearded day. Who are you?